Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharmainform. In Pharmainform today we are going to discuss a very simple topic, which is layout representation of wet granulation. In this videos we simply discuss the layout of wet granulation. As you know that wet granulation is a very complex and multi-step process, and each step is a very technical and detailed step. We already have recorded a complete playlist on wet granulation. If you want to learn details of wet granulation, the link is given in description. You can watch the complete playlist to learn details of all the steps. But here we have tried to make the wet granulation as simple as possible, to make it easy for those who do not know anything about the wet granulation. For beginners or for those who are not have any exposure in the pharmaceutical industries of the wet granulation process. So after watching this video, within a few minutes you can get complete details how tablets are manufactured by the wet granulation process. So the first of all, in the granulation area, the activities performed is weighing. After weighing we perform the step of sieving, and after sieving the next step performed during wet granulation is the pre-mixing. After pre-mixing, the next step performed is the kneading. Meanwhile we prepare binder solution. When we are performing pre-mixing activity, we prepare binder solution, and after completion of both these steps we perform the kneading step. What is kneading? You can learn details by the link given in the description. After kneading, the next step performed is wet sieving, and after wet sieving the next step is drying of our product. Drying can be performed by using tray dryers or fluidized bed dryers. Again, you can watch our playlist to get details of these points. And after drying we check LOD, loss on drying, and if LOD is within range we perform the next step of dry sieving. What are the requirements of dry sieving? How the sieve selection is done, how to prevent the more fine during dry sieving, or how to prevent the defect of dissolution or disintegration during tablet compression. You can all learn by watching the playlist of wet granulation and watching the details of sieve selection. After dry sieving we perform our final step, which is the final blending or final mixing step, and after final mixing step the whole process of wet granulation is completed. I hope all of you are now familiar that how a wet granulation process is carried out practically in pharmaceutical industries. I must advise you to watch the complete playlist to learn details of each and every step. And if you like the video, share it to others and subscribe our channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.